Today on Living Hakuna.
It's like everything decides to break at the same time on a boat.
By a boat. Fun. Very fucking fun.
We ripped it all.
Yeah. So we're gonna be fixing all of this.
So we have to finish putting the battens and tighten the sail to the mast.
Our starboard engine stopped reading the revs.
I'm Andrea, that's Alejo, and those are our bears, Ozzy and Deco. We left the corporate world in Miami to become digital nomads and chase the wind kiteboarding. Join us as we sail an adventure in our dream home, Hakuna.
Good morning, beautiful people. How are you, everyone? So, today we were able to contact, who did we contact?
The sail repair.
Sail repair guys,
Please.
And they're gonna be able to repair our sail bag, our parasailer, and our mainsail.
Yes.
So we didn't think it was expensive at all. It was only, he said,
I quoted like $300.
yeah, $250 to $300. So that's not bad at all. And we will be able to put everything back to its beautiful state because our parasailer was ripped, the main, we don't want to live like that little hole because then it might start ripping again. And then the sail bag was just in terrible conditions. Terrible. Because we ripped it all. So we have to take the mainsail down, remove the battens. It's a lot of work. And I'm gonna do laundry because we don't really have that much clothes left. So I'm gonna do laundry and just kind of get everything ready to continue our way up north.
So I'm gonna put the mainsail up, remove the sail bag, then I'll start removing the mainsail. So let's do this. Okay, so first I'm removing the reef lines of the sail. So I'm putting this, a nylon, through the hole, so it's gonna be a lot easier to put it back. And so I have the first reef here. I'll take it off. So now I'm gonna remove the sail bag. I just labeled all this ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So once we're gonna put everything back, it's pretty simple. Just connect everything and that's it.
The stick was here. So we already took this off. Now we're going to take off this sail bag because it completely ripped, as you guys can tell here. So let me show you. So normally the sail bag would hold here up and this side would be around the mast, but we ripped it by mistake, just pulling the sail up without actually opening the sail bag. So yeah, that was a really bad thing on our end. So now we're going to fix it and fix this sail, the sail bag, and then take down the sail. Wait. Que aquí está stuck acá, ya. So what are you doing now?
Removing the bottom pin of the mainsail.
All right, so we're almost done taking down the sail. We have to remove the battens. So each time there's a batten, we just have to make sure that we take it out so that we can actually fold the sail. Hey, looking good. Can you show me your shirt? Oh, looking good. Right under the videos, you can see some shirts that we have. We also have on our website on livinghakuna.com/shop. Is that what it is? Oh Jesus, what a terrible seller that I am.
I don't know. Maybe I'll just go on our website. You'll be able to find like shop, merchandise, all this kind of things. So we're almost done bringing down the sail. As you guys can tell, it's a giant sail. So this sail is only maybe 3 years old, right, baby? About 3, maybe maximum 4 years old. So it's not that old. But I guess you have to be on the lookout for things and, you know, keep an eye out and do maintenance on them. Had we had noticed the battens, had we taken down the sail before and fixed the batten before, the sail probably wouldn't have ripped. So, you know, that's what happens when you don't know anything about anything. So you have to figure it out as you go. This kind of things happen, so. How long did he say he was going to take to fix it?
Like 1 to 2 days.
That's not bad, right?
Yeah.
So, my husband just made it back on the boat. Hi, husband!
Hello.
So now we need to get the parasailer to get it fixed. So yeah, now I'm coming with him this time. We're gonna leave the dogs inside and take the parasailer out and take it to the place where they fix the sails. Just Thank you, honey. You're so sweet, so kind. What a gentleman. What a gentleman you are, honey. So, oh baby, you haven't told them what happened to the switch. Yeah, we have no switch. So you can see the cables out. We're trying to get that fixed. Just seems like everything decides to break at the same time on a boat. The sails, the switch, it all happens like in the same month. Everything at the same time. So 911, we have an emergency. Oh,
Te lo juro que esta mierda lo quitamos y le dejamos hundir.
does it piss you off? So the engine of our dinghy is just not working.
Fucked up.
So is it starting to piss you off? You got it? It's working now? What was it? What do you think is wrong with it?
It's a mixture of fuel.
You did it wrong?
I don't know. I need the manual. Buy a boat. Very fucking.
Not working. We're stuck in the middle of Charleston Channel. And the dinghy doesn't want to turn on, it keeps turning off. The engine. My husband's already getting a little bit pissed off. We're trying to Google what the situation is. Well, yeah, it's not. We're calling Alejo's dad.
Hola, mami. Mami, ¿estás con el papá?
We're basically going with the waves. So I don't know how we're gonna be able to get back. Oh shit. It's going again! But I don't know how we're gonna be able to get back, to be honest. My husband's gonna have to row and after 30 minutes of riding in our useless useless dinghy. Very negative experience riding the dinghy all the way here. I hope you're not in a bad mood.
I'm in a great mood.
So our dinghy was being really bad. But yeah, we're walking, we're taking our sails to get fixed, and hopefully we can sail out soon. Yeah, we need to find a solution to our dinghy situation because I don't know how we're gonna be able to get back. I am not kidding. How many miles was it from where we're anchored to where the dinghy is?
I have no idea.
Like 2 miles? It was maybe 2 miles, and it took us, I am not kidding you guys, 30 minutes because our dinghy wasn't working. Kept turning off. Then when it wasn't turning on, we were going to like 5 miles per hour, and that's taking into consideration that we had the waves on our back. So
yeah, because it's like a it's just like sleeve.
are they fixing your sail?
We're gonna fix our sail.
Okay. So we're gonna fix this hole here. This hole, that's our hole that we need to fix. And then we also need to fix our parasailer here, which has this hole here. And we also need to fix our sail bag because it's also messed up. Look at this. It's horrible. We ripped it all. Yeah. So we're gonna be fixing all of this, guys. So we just dropped our sails off, and he said that our sails would be ready on Friday, so that means that we could possibly sail out on Thursday. It is Monday, guys. So we have like another 4 days.
Our sail?
We're back on our crappy car. So what are we gonna do to fix it? Chingalos way! We're not starting on the right foot. We're definitely starting on the left foot. Oh, snaps.
Okay, now we have the dinghy packed of sails, our sail bag, our parasailer, and our main sail.
So, Hari Lamari, what's up?
So we got the sail repaired.
You did? You just picked it up?
We got the little square.
Where exactly was it ripped? Because I can't
It
see
was
anything.
like right here,
Okay.
and then it went through here, and then right here.
Wow.
So they just cut a little square and repaired it.
Wow. Looks good. Are you happy with the repair? Perfect. What are you doing?
We're gonna put the sail back on.
Okay. Yeah, it's really heavy. Okay, so right now we're putting the sail bag first. And we're putting, is this also called a batten? Well, we're putting in this thing, this stick. The sail bag batten, if you want to call it that. Was that easy or hard? kind of easy. Yeah, that was pretty easy. So we're already pulling up the sail and we're going to start putting the battens. So we have to finish putting the battens and tighten the sail to the mast. Right, Captain?
Yes. First mate. You janitor.
I'm not the janitor, you're totally the janitor.
What's up, people? So I'm changing the first reef, so I'm gonna show you. I'm putting it through the boom right now, so let me show you guys. First reef. So it goes through here, it goes up into the reef of the sail, and now I'm putting it inside of here. It goes inside the boom and comes out here. I'm gonna show you why we changed the first reef.
Jesus.
It was about to rip.
What?
So that's why we changed it. Gotta take care of the boat. Our starboard engine stopped reading the revs. So I know it's something with electric. So I came to check the alternator. And one of the hoses has a little hole. So I'm just gonna cut it and reattach it. So this hose right here, you can see that little hole. So I'm gonna clean these, try to put something so it doesn't rust, because it has a lot of water. I'm gonna take the water out, and yeah, and I also tighten up the belt. I'm gonna check the oil, self-drive oil, and this trainer. That's it. Okay, so this part, it's all rusted because of the water that got into the engine through the hose. And now let's test it out. And the ribs are working. Guys, can you see that sunset? Unbelievable! Crazy sunset. So yeah, so after a busy day of working on the sail and on the engines, we're ready to go tomorrow. I'm gonna have some Oreos and milk. Oreos and milk. Yeah, the boat's a little messy, but it is what it is. It was a busy day. So yeah. Night night.